Let's remember that vertical and horizontal lines, the equation of a vertical line, remember if it's a vertical line it's going this way, then the equation is an x equal to a constant. So if we know that it's going through the point a comma y, then x equal to a is the equation of that line. But for a horizontal line that is going this way, the equation should be y equal to a constant. So if it's going through the point a comma b, then the equation is y equal to b. Here's an example. Write the equation of the line passing through the point 3 comma 6 with the first one, a is slope 0. If the slope is 0, we know it's a horizontal line. And the equation of a horizontal line is y equal to a constant. Which constant? Well, it's going through this point, so y equal to 6. B, undefined slope, meaning a vertical line. So the vertical line have an equation x equal to a constant. Since it's going through this point, then it's x equal to 3. Now, the last thing in this section is the parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines, obviously, since they are parallel, they have the same incline, they have the same slope. And perpendicular lines have the opposite reciprocal. So let's look at this. Perpendicular. Okay? So if this is positive, then this is negative, obviously. So that's the opposite. Okay? Opposite. And the reciprocal is the difference between, is it y over x or x over y? So let's look at the following last example. Find the equation in, we want both forms, slope-intercept form and the standard form. For the line passing through the point 2 comma negative 6 and the first condition which I did for you, which is the parallel. So we know that it is passing through this point, and the other information we have is that it's parallel to this line, meaning it has to have the same slope as this line. To know the slope, we solve for y. So solving for y, you get this equation. All I need from it is that the slope is negative 2/5. Now I have the slope and a point. I can write the equation y minus a minus equal to the following. Then I'll let you do the work. And the slope intercept, so this is 1, and standard form, this is the 2. Okay, let's do the other one. For B, we know that it is perpendicular to this line. Again, we already solved it. This is the equation, but it's perpendicular, so the slope is the opposite reciprocal. Opposite mean if it's negative, then it's positive. Reciprocal means you flip the fraction. So now I got the slope and I got the point to write the equation. Here we go. It's y minus a minus, so plus 6 equal 5 over 2 times x minus 2. So we want it in both formats. First, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. And I'm going to get 2y plus 12 is equal to 5x. Don't forget to distribute, minus 10. To do the, I'm going to do 2 again first, which is the standard form. Bring the x to the left-hand side. So we're going to get negative 5x plus 2y is equal to negative 10, negative 12 is negative 22. But remember, the coefficient of x cannot be negative. So multiply the whole equation by negative to get 5x minus 2y equal to 22. And that's the standard form. So this is the 2. And for the 1, we need to solve for y. So let me go back to this one and solve for y. So here we have 2y equal to 5x minus 10, and minus 20 is minus 22. divide by 2 to get y equal 5 over 2x minus 11. And that will be number 1. Okay.